Hi, today I'm going to show you how to transform this into this. You might have previously tried to pluck them out with your nails, fingers, but let me tell you, there is no need to damage your nails. There is an easier way. What you'll need to achieve this is a bottle of turpentine thinner or even kerosene and a piece of absorbent cloth. Then just wrap it around your bottle. You can even do 2 layers so that it holds the turpentine for longer. Then pour it on top of the bottle where exactly you have the labels. Then you repeat the same with the other bottles that you want to process. And make sure you pour enough so that it does the job. And then let them sit for the next 30 minutes. Now, once your 30 minutes are done, just peel off the sticker gently, and you'll notice in some cases like this, it will peel off very cleanly. And for those parts that don't come off, you can use the back side of your knife and gently score it so that you don't scratch the bottle. And you can do the same with all the other bottles that we were processing. And finally, make use of the same fabric to clean off the small glue patches that are left so that you get a clean finish on your glass bottle. Well, my hope is that you learned something from this tutorial. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you liked what you saw, share with your friends, comment, and bye-bye until next time.